Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. And if you would, before I even get started, because I always forget to do this, I always forget to mention, look, if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel, okay? And hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I put out another video. And in this particular video, I want to discuss powerful online earnings, okay, and making money online. All right, and I want to share something that I'm doing, and I'm going to test it out and see if it's going to work the way I hope that it's going to work. So we're going to see. So stay with me for the next few moments, okay? And I'll be right back with you. Okay, well, this is a page I put together to do some email marketing, some marketing in safe lists and traffic exchanges, and probably some solo advertising as well. Okay, and I'm simply calling this page Powerful Earnings Online. All right, and what I'm doing, I'm introducing 4 of my main programs that I'm marketing presently. Okay, and I do have other programs as well that I market, but these are my main programs that I'm marketing right now. You know, I do believe in multiple streams of income. I don't believe in putting all of my eggs into one basket, and and there's a lot of things I just like sharing. One of the favorite things that I do right now, and I'm working on getting better at it, is doing. I like doing videos. Used to hate it. I absolutely used to hate doing videos, but now I kind of like doing videos, because I can share some information. I get to talk a little bit. I don't mind talking at all, and but I like really just sharing information. Really, that's going to be a blessing. That's going to help other people. Okay. So my 4 of my main programs that I do market presently, as you can see, number 1, the Ultimate Cashback Savings, Money Making and Membership Club. Click here, it says, to learn about this incredible program / business opportunity. Free sign up, okay? That's number 1. Number 2, incredible 30 for 30 cashback plus $30 for every referral that you send to the program. Okay, click here for the details, sign up for free, and start earning. Number 3, the $10 miracle. Now this is something that's brand new, but I couldn't resist this one. This is a incredible, fun, kind of crazy little program that really can help you make some money. Okay, so you need to check that out if you haven't checked that out. Matter of fact, check all of these programs out. Again, I'm going to be email marketing, solo ad marketing, safe lists, traffic exchanges, etc. Okay. And then my 4th program, the best low-cost, robust marketing system in the marketplace today. All the tools you need to build any online business. Plus, it is also a business in a box opportunity. Sign up for free and check things out. Okay. But there you have it. So I put this page together. I'm going to give it a test, and we're going to see how well this page does and how well the marketing that I'm about to do, how well that's going to do. Okay, so I want to thank you for taking a few moments to check out my video. Be sure to go to the link in the description area of this video. Check out my page, okay? And as I said, I'm going to be testing that baby out. We're going to find out how well that does. If that does well, then we're going to up the advertising on that. If it doesn't do well, then we'll change what we need to change. Okay, and that's what you have to do sometimes. You got to test things out to see whether or not they're going to work for you. But there you have it, powerful online earnings, and with those programs, you can really make some great money online. Okay, I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye bye now.